It's fast, it's a blast, and it's in the past.
Hey, that's funny.
Hi, Animal Kingdom today.
Let's go.
Come on, Dino Island.
Let's go.
Okay, so it's not recognizing her being blinded as I'm going to reset it. I'm also going to take a picture of it out until the next day, okay? So real quick, can I take a picture?
Are you scared?
No. I went on it before. Stop. But I'll probably scream again.
Seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them.
Are you scared?
Yes, very. A dinosaur's gonna eat me.
She says that they waited for us for so long to get to the ride that the dinosaurs are all dead now.
Inside the time roller. Please watch children. Atención, guarden todos los servicios sueltos. Abróchense.
Look, we got another red card. Put it back in.
Hopefully it gives us a fast pass.
Oh God!
Let's go, take carefully. It's 8 and 1, followed by 6 and
He's
7.
like all red.
8 and there's one here that have any. So close.
Six.
Get the stuff. 6.
Look at my shirt from 8 years ago. 8 years ago? 8 years? Was it 8 years? 5. Who said 8?
7.
7 years ago.
You don't know how to
It wasn't
count.
that long.
You don't know how to count.
See how faded it is?
Why is it so big? Why is it so big?
Because I was a big girl a long time ago. My family fed me too much.
You were overfed? No, I didn't. Shut up. Stop.
It was pretty bad.
Down.
And then we did a rewind too.
Now I can't make any noise because I'm with him.
Come on, you know. mom? Where's your mom? Catch up to you? Yeah, nice one. So, today we are blessed with number 3.
I hate you.
Injury. So, we're 1 down left.
Who's down?
Right here.
Last one standing. Yay.
Explain how those two
This one tried to do football move and fall out. I forgot what happened to the other one. Oh, she got ran over.
And then she slipped and fell.
Oh yeah, she slipped and fell. That's right.
And she cried.
Yes, universal. You.
She was a crybaby.
She said, who?
And we are on Kilimanjaro Safari now.
I hate you. Shut up. Leave me alone.
That means let's go. All right, well, Jumbo, everybody, hello. My name is Hillary, and I will be your safari guide for the next 2 weeks as we explore the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Excited, and we are starting our 2-week adventure together here in the Little Aturi Forest. Coming up to see some bongo here on the left. And bongos are known as the double taps on that Instagram. What?
Yeah.
And it looks like coming up on our right. Jungle himself. They're at the top of the Kopi. No, you guys are definitely one of the luckiest groups I've ever had. It is a very rare sight to see. Check out page 13 of your handbook.
We are leaving Animal Kingdom.
It was a very interesting day.
dance from it. Do you guys want to learn a dance that Miles himself taught me?
Horrible, Anthony. That's horrible. Why you fart, dude?
Alright, when you get up to the front, make sure you put one hand up there and wave for all your adoring fans. They need to see you.
Tranquil breezes from a mile away. Graduated from Boom, up to Alizé. You look at Dr. Death.
You feel it, but you got it all. Now hit your ride. Go sing it up, dog.
Okay, we're done with downtown Disney for today. We're heading back to the resort. I am going to sleep. Good night, everybody.